Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
It's here for me, Mobibi Akwaba, about Melodies TV. So, for the very first time, Chachuchi Kata Akasa on the Supreme Court's decision. No, na wakasa say judges no, say decisions via what muteki yeni etia. Chachuchi Kata Akasa for the very first time. Now, I'll need to give a background and then we go into the matters that Chachu Ekan. Now. It is quite interesting. Say in some way, Chachuchi Kata wakan ye ni na wabosu ni na me makan wa channel way so pen. It was as if say ebi amene Chachu we were thinking the same. But in some way, wabosu me I'm not a legal practitioner. I'm just a layman when it comes to the law, and I'm viewing things as a layman. Now the way I saw things, no, it's quite interesting. Say that was the same way Chachu also saw things. Now Chachu interview last 2 weeks. KSM only KSM. In KSM, I mean, he's a big man in this whole Ghana interviewing things. No, now last 2 weeks, KSM interview Chachu. So time no, na Supreme Court enfa ruling by. So the Chachu ekache KSM they say, in some no beka ni na no one kasa about Supreme Court in some no because he's very professional. Ebi ane akwa cheno for contempt. It is a ruling by, and the or one kwan so beka sa nti ruling by. KSM one sound so inviting no na one bra na one mekasa. Inti 2 weeks ago no mo interview no. Inti ruling na eba ye no endra and say KSM interview Chachuchi Kata. Now after the interview no Chachuchi Kata is trending on social media. Say enye easy. Na ye be ko comment ni mo na me read the comment ni bi atremo. Na nsem a Chachu boss no e simple. On say KSM e sha ase. Uno bi sa Chachu say emra na Supreme Court in Semne Kono na nkrofo be kan say Chachu de wo lecture your friend saying judges no wo lecture judges jama judges no otro mo ade ana na Chachu say judges 7 na wo motena asem no so in case of review wo mo be dane 9 no wo mu ni na wo mo ye ni students. It's quite interesting. Judges na wo motena asem no so no Chachu say wo tre wo mu ni na na otro mo ade ono no otro mo law wo mu ni na judges nini na 7 nini na womo be review ba number than 9 they were all on no Chachu students but our Supreme Court ono we hu ni sa wan fa nche ni trim se nkrofo we de omo ye mi student nti minim law no esen omo dabi o si nipa de eto de bi ende obetumi atre ono Chachu kra no obi atre na depen ebedu bebi no na nipa ko ne kra etumi ba ne ho for nsem wo nti eto de bi nipa de sa na ete nti charges ni na de ne kre ono no tro mo ade na Supreme Court ono wan fa sa ade na nche ni trim wan koye se nkrofo we mi na me kre mo ade nti mi na sei nti sei mo mundi ma me dabi odu ho de oyi sa nsem ne kra free ni tim nti ya na nkrofo o ka se wono Chachu wo lecture eye Supreme Court judges ne kra ya no mpeso betie na sa nsem ne de enye nse bia wo se nkrofo kra eka na Chachu wie ye no na wo call Supreme Court rulings no nsem ya wo mo kan na utumi hu se assemble akwa judges na assemble akwa mo kan ya eye Chachu ya eye ohwe judgment day no the ruling na wo mo ma ya wo mo ka se Chachu nsem Mahama ni 2 witnesses eye the second and the third witness eye Besa White Dr. Besa White ene Roho Metununu nsem a wo mo kan ni na no na eye fancy ye ka se bibi ye fancy ase agro one story na no more cano and I don't know. No, I mean check them. I'm going to say intro na mecha. Let me check the meaning of the word fancy, but that's how I understand it. See, kasi yeka wuchi mo. Now, I'm coming. So fancy means elaborate in structure or decoration. Into the faculty of imagination. Wo intino judges think as say in someone Besa White ni we ne kan no ase in someone more can dey ase in a way na nsisi so bi ase agro bi imagination bi nsem bi it Chachu say sa a proclaimant a wo make here on the 2 eyewitnesses no eyade bi a ono Chachu no ne ya because one say wo bi the assembly to wenim na waka se nipa ko na asem enye de ana nipa ko na asem a wo kan ase agro na odia e wasa wotie de others en fan say yen krofo mienu nom de asem aba wenim me de bia scenario we na mema wo ye wo hene na nkrofo mienu e de asem aba wanim na ba ko kasa wie ye na no initially wajaje say na wo so enkolan sembe na wo ka no e wasa wo tie the other side who ne say wono nso nsem a wo ka no anyway e koleti ana ene no ekọ ana because the thing is you didn't listen to the other side. Asema chachu kan no. You didn't listen to the other side. Mo imagine mensa nkasa. Inti yentie the side of the story. The side of the story a walk no say oh ebia the NDC phone ka say mobile na sa biscuit meeting ni sansensem nia no say mo sake yen anyway no. One imagine mensa mba be kasa mo no so anya den anka na num asem say man sake omo na eno no na ka imagine mensa be kasa na jimensa ka say man sake omo. Na wo ba bonte be ka say okay NDC phone sem na wo mo kan say be nsisi so a ene de anka e beti ase. But he didn't let the other side speak. Utie nipa ba ko de no wajaje. Meanwhile you are supposed to be a neutral person. It was said proclaimment na judges no emaye no e ade bia entwa ye. No say ye nina to I say we missed something because what sha even Jinmens and the lawyer asemo a wo ka tre NDC for and John Dramani Mahama the third witness eye Rojo Metununu and say ye hu say wo ko change in Mensa for 3 hours and eno na ma tea any biscuit nsem no ebe mu no. It was said that proclaimment Jimensa ne lawyer ne kraka wo court say wo ko change Jimensa for 3 hours na ne kra say for 3 good hours na Jimensa sa time no wo ni office because of the officer na ko be ma yaba per adia secretary ne katre Rojo Metunu no say Jimensa wasn't around. It na wo ni around how was she able to collate the result momu pie ya wosomo mo say wo mo kwa mahama ho wo mo kwa ya gidigidi baba abonti aba be declare na so no kra we nya time and go through and oka say wo hwe Supreme Court judges ne kra no figures wo mo declare say eno na the right figures ne kra na different from Jinmensa de na wo no so de ba abonti sisi ano figures no de he pa na ye ka say Ekufuado wo di win ye because one Jinmensa the figures ne ba abonti no letter ba abonti a ye be ka say figures no error and as I letter na kan enye Jimensa na sign you the PRO no na ende MPP aban chachu kani na PRO no na ende MPP aban yaman ambassador for Denmark no ono no this letter of correction ne ba abonti sa figures ne crampo ye so omoko do court no wo mo ntumi anye we nti no ruling na ebaye no wo bia wote embrase bia be hu ne say ruling na judges we e de baye ne de wono chachu eya no mpese obeka say oh nipa we we na de oba so nti e say wudi na asema na o say wo beje atum say eyedin ene de eyedin in fact so obi e de wo esi position bi so ana obi de wo esi baby na won so wo hia mbo it is just fair say nipa ko no so be den wo be repay you nti o say judges on Supreme Court judges no ana Chief Justice no wo hwe senior eya ye sansensem no president na di omo besi so na nyama na eno no what you say their position is very difficult, but that is why cases like this no eya na watwe ho afrim as a Chief Justice. So wo be here 2012 Chief Justice wan kwankote na asem ne so watwe ne ho afrim because osusu say ebia na wakoma ruling bi ni aka say and they say oh Mahama intia and wa ruling ama Mahama. And one thing that Achuchi Kata Sanso kan ya my boss so several times on this channel was says na Chief Justice Supreme Court judges no ruling na wo de aba no a certain precedents bi enye ema Ghana because Ghana mra wo ho eye constitution no ene de ya ade Jimensa mo ye no it wasn't according to the constitution. It is very clear inti eba na say na ye de Ghana mra no to ho na yakwa akọfa ye same brofofo wo say the black the something book o say den em say Chief Justice ye ni aye yete ye ni decisions ni bia wo take ye no we read this on brofofo law book bi inti chachu kan say ye mra wa ha say ye mra no ye de hwe ye so ye de ene na etre say Ghana we are a sovereign country ye de no wan fa o because unim say bia ye de no kra no ene e bia obi aseme nko nti ye de no wan fa ama wakwa akọfa obroni de ana country fufuro de Inti chato se sa asem ne kra no wono wonte ase wonte mu empeni nsem kra da but se wono wogidi se ne kra de wo ye ne den kra begina na sa rulings ya Supreme Court judges no emaye no enya ade bi a ebegina one day judges bi beba amomo aka say oh ruling bi say a ye ma ye bi say no enya ade a ewo say yesusom biom because what it does na say these rulings are precedents eda ho. Now that Jin Mensa ye ni na ye hu say an electoral commission can declare different results na ye kokota ye mane mbekasa no nkrofo de ahwe omutrim say hey and ye so ye ba san ye be wi aba ni mu o de yan kokota ye ma isi no emba but se wono de wogidi say san say ya de a enye papa nti engina nti a very bad precedents judges no eseti ye extremely bad precedents especially wo sha and away put there one can enyi judges ni bin film say oh we there one ye say because a unanimous decision not just say wo mu ni na tipenkro and on the course our decision no nti ene there won yi ba kun film omu ni na a bad precedents judgment na e ba no sa na ti nti nsemu a Chachuchi Kata kan ni but you see Chachuchi Kata has shown that he is very professional in the way say onompo a wodi assembly nim no utumi hu say assembly she no but onompo no he in a way no one share that cram bash judges ne sa one share that anka say oh because of political affiliations no he didn't make that statement. It was just a scenario he gave. But we show more muti abontin as be assembly can share that form ho no womu na womu kan and the judge no dey wakojiska and the judges no why you say and the judges no why you say. Let's learn from Chachuchi Kata. Comment box ni mo, but that's it.